Alright, nice. Paid its price. Fucking this one lifter is rusted. Pull it out, put a different one in. Maybe. And hopefully it'll be rocking and rolling. All the other ones work. That one's just fucking rusted. Shitty. But we'll get it. So what kind of motor did you put in that?
350.
Another 350. Freaking scope it out. The other truck I had here was an automatic. Put a standard tranny in it and different motor. So rumbles. So like a 70s tranny.
That's an 82.
82. Get down in the ice. Pop a huge. Let's go about the 350. Off it. Still warm. Headers. I don't know, is he gonna fire it up? Veja da obra.